This is your 1-Minute Coder News from the Voice of Custom Coding. Steve Schneider, chairman of John Schneider & Associates, penned a recent Q&A article in the March issue of Product Finishing magazine. In it, the question was, what things should be considered if you might be planning a shop expansion? He wrote, in any business environment, either action or inaction could have a profound impact to the metal finisher. Things that could help you make more informed and consistent decisions would be the following. Determine the total installation cost and add 25%. Think through every piece of equipment, process, or space you will need to get up and running. Secondly, determine how developed and proven the new process or technology is to you. For instance, would you be the first, 10th, or 50th business doing this in this space or location? And that's been your 1-Minute Coder News. See you next time.